Yeah, so if you'll be following me on my Upwork journey, I have made a video some months ago on how I spent 30 days on Upwork without making any sales, and I've applied for different kind of jobs, but then I was unable to secure any sales on Upwork platform. But today in this video, I was able to make my first sale on Upwork platform, and I'll be showing you in details on how I apply, how I did the job, and how the buyers was how the buyer approved the job, and definitely he liked the job. So I'll be showing you on my PC screen right now, so you'll be able to see in details on how the job went. So I'll navigate to how I apply for the job, then how how the job went, the discussions as everything too. So I think the buyer needed an SEO low competitive YouTube content ideas. So then I don't know, maybe I was so lucky to apply for the job as at that time, but then I think maybe my proposal looked so appealing to the buyer, and then I was able to get the job. So this is my proposal to the buyer. So I explained in details on how I can help him to get 30 content idea on sport niche, which they are going to make a video around it. So then I explained in details my experience, the channel that I have worked with. Then I also attach some screenshot of results of some YouTube channels which I have worked with. So I think that looks so appealing to the buyer, and also looks like I'm a professional in that niche, just like what I said. So then I got a message within some hours. Then, I like your experience and would like to work with you. How long will it take you? You can see. So immediately I saw that message, I feel so happy. Like, I feel so happy because I've been applying for different kind of jobs. I don't know how my proposal looked to them either, but then this this make me happy. So then I follow up with a message. Hello Moritz, thank you for reaching out to me. So to come up with 30 content, I thought it would take me like 15 to 10 days. So but then I realized the fact that if I spent 15 to 10 days on the project, the buyer might look somehow, because 15 to 10 days is kind of like much, and the way I say the channel, they need content as soon as possible so that they can be able to post on the YouTube channel. So then I follow up with message, and I later realized that okay, let me just do the project as soon as I can. Then I had to pause every other thing that I'm doing, because this is my first project on Upwork platform. So I have to pause every other thing I'm doing so that I can focus on the project. So as you can see here, I made mention 15 to 10 days, but here I also tell him that I can deliver within 10 to 5 days. So then he said he's okay with that. So what more information do you need? So he asked me, then I asked for his YouTube channel, then and some other question as well. Then he asked me to then I asked him to create an offer. Then, because I actually don't know much about how Upwork works, so I had to ask some of my friends who work on the platform, and they guide me through on the whole stuff. So then this is how the whole project started. So you can see view details here, so you'll be able to see everything about the project. Okay, I think I have marked the order completed, so I won't be able to see it again. So this is the delivery that I did for the buyer. So if I open it now, you'll be able to see the content ideas, which is 30 contents, and I also do more so that it will be a bonus to the buyer. So this is it. So this is the all content ideas, and I also come up with the video title which will be very easy for them to make a video around it. So they'll just give the script writer all this video title, then they can make a script, then from there they'll be able to give a video editor to make the video around it. So these are the all content ideas. So I come up with 32 or 33 content ideas for the buyer. So then I deliver the project. So, and this is how everything went. So he requested for one revisions that I should fix like six content ideas. So this is where he made mention of it. I don't like a few. Is it okay I give you $20? So I'll feel like, why would you give me $20? So then I asked him to please list them and I will replace them. So then he said he have marked them yellow. Try to make the title like drops. Actually, I don't know what drops it means. So then I request for the PDF, which he made some align in yellow, so I can be able to figure out those particular keywords. So then I proceed on fixing it up, then I deliver again. So I ask him to check for the modification if there is any other thing I need to do. So I think he was satisfied and he approved the milestone, which is $30. So apparently it's not about the money though, but it's about the money another way around, and also being the first project on Fiverr platform. So I was so happy and it meant a lot to me. So this is how my first project went, and my little tips I will give you if you haven't get your first sale on Upwork, and if you're still looking for how to write or how to secure more projects on Upwork. So I think the proposal is the way through. Proposal is the first thing you need to take note of, and do all your possible best and make sure the proposal looks so appealing and well detailed, so what buyer actually needed. So I think from there they'll be able to contact you, they'll be able to message you to see if you are good from there. Because I also noticed there is a buyer who also messaged me after this particular buyer. So she said she needs skilled email script. So then I made mention, this is what I can do. Okay, email script, sorry. So this is what I can do. I list everything included, which I'll definitely deliver once she hire me. So but then I did not hear back from her again. I don't know what's going on, but I'm very sure the proposal look appealing. So definitely that's the reason why she messaged me. So, and also I was so happy another way around, because my proposal aren't just wasted just like that. I was able to get 10 connects back, because I applied for this project with 2 connects and I was able to get 10 connects back. So I feel so relieved another way around, because all my efforts did not lose on this particular project. So if she think my proposal still look appealing and she want to get started with it, so I think she can message me again. So, and also this need my service again, she will definitely get back to me. So this is what I have for you in this video, and if you have any question, you can send me a message and drop a comment. I will definitely reply to your comment. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.